In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the satellite map feature on Apple Maps. Whether you're planning a trip, exploring a new city, or simply curious about aerial views, Apple Maps satellite feature offers a comprehensive bird's eye view of the world around you. It's a powerful tool for gaining a deeper understanding of geography and context, providing both fun and utility right at your fingertips. To get started, you'll first want to open the Apple Maps app on your device. This is your gateway to all the navigation and exploration capabilities that Apple Maps offers. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the map screen. Here, you'll see a variety of icons and controls that manage the app's different features. Focus on the top right corner of the map screen. That's where you'll find the Layers button. It's depicted as a set of stacked squares, which is both intuitive and easy to spot. Go ahead and tap on this icon. This action will pull up the map display options, allowing you to choose how you want the map to be presented. Now, among the display options, you will find the selection for satellite view. Simply tap on the satellite option to switch the map from its default view to the aerial imagery version. This change gives you a more realistic depiction of your surroundings, complete with all the visual details that you'd expect from a satellite image. But there's more you can do to tailor this experience to your needs. You might want to consider enabling the hybrid view. This is an optional step, but it adds a layer of usability to your map exploration by overlaying street names and landmarks on top of the satellite imagery. To activate this, just toggle the labels option on. The hybrid view is particularly useful if you're keen on combining the realism of satellite imagery with the clarity of map navigation details, making it easier to locate streets, buildings, and other key landmarks. With these steps completed, you're now in satellite view. Take some time to explore and make the most of this perspective. You can zoom in or out to get a closer or wider view of an area, and if you wish, tilt the map with 2 fingers. This produces a 3D satellite effect, which can be especially fascinating in supported cities that provide detailed 3-dimensional mapping. By following these simple steps, you've opened up a whole new way to experience Apple Maps. Whether it's for practical navigation or just for the excitement of exploring from a satellite vantage point, you now have the tools to fully engage with your environment in a visually rich and informative way. Enjoy your journey through the skies and streets of your virtual exploration.